Hi, my name is Lisa, a digital assistant, and I'm here to get you set up on ScaleXP. In this video, we'll review how to get started with prepayments. In the top menu bar, first select Journals. Then scroll down to Prepaid Expenses, which is towards the bottom of the page. Click on Step 1. When selecting Prepaid Expenses for the first time, you'll be prompted to define your settings. Here you should select whether you code your prepayments to expense accounts, profit and loss, or to the balance sheet. If you code bills to the profit and loss, you'll set a threshold for what qualifies as a prepayment, as well as your default prepayment account. You can then use multiple balance sheet accounts and map each to a corresponding profit and loss account, which will be used in the journals. If you code bills to the balance sheet, simply select the relevant balance sheet accounts. ScaleXP will automatically treat all bills coded to these accounts as prepayments. In the rare case that you code to both the balance sheet and profit and loss, configure both options, but be sure to leave the most relevant one selected at the top. Once you're happy with your selections, move to the next step, but you can always return later to adjust your settings by clicking here in Prepayment Settings. If you code into the profit and loss or both, proceed to identify prepaid bills. If you code into the balance sheet, you can proceed directly to review prepaid bills. On the Identify Prepayments page, you'll see a list of all bills from your accounting platform broken down by supplier. ScaleXP analyzes each bill for text indicators to determine whether it should be spread over time or recognized upfront. Based on your bill descriptions and initial settings, ScaleXP highlights likely prepayments in orange. White rows are bills not identified as prepayments, and blue rows are confirmed prepayments. The legend here is a helpful reminder of the significance of each colour. To see bill level detail, click on that down arrow next to a supplier. Within each bill, you can adjust the deferral dates and confirm that this should be treated as a prepayment. Take a moment now to review any bills shown in orange. We don't have any in this example as our prepayments are already reviewed. Once you've reviewed all items in orange, you'll be ready to proceed. In the next screen, Review Prepaid Bills. You'll then allocate each prepaid bill to an expense account. You'll see a list of prepaid bills and the option to choose the expense account for each bill on the balance sheet. This is an important step. If you code your bills to the balance sheet, choose your expense account for each row. Once this is complete, you're ready to move on to the Prepayments Journal page to review and post your journal. This is as simple as clicking the Post Journal button. If you need any further help, you can contact us via live chat or at support@scalexp.com.